What's up guys, as we all waiting for the upcoming Moto G8 series from Motorola, leaked renders of Moto G8 are surfaced online. From a quick glance, the Moto G8 Play looks quite similar to the G8 Plus, but upon closer inspection, you do notice that the larger water drop notch and one less camera on the back. There is a 16 megapixel 117-degree ultra-wide sensor which will likely be accompanied by an 48MP main shooter and a depth sensor. Next to them we have the classic Moto dimple which houses the fingerprint scanner. The power and volume rocker are located on the right hand side, while the bottom has a Type-C port, mic and speaker grill. The top part of the phone appears to have an indent for the 3.5mm headphone jack. Along with these picture specifications are also leaked. The display of the G8 Play will be 5.7 inches with HD Plus resolution. Under the hood, we will see either Helio P60 or P70 chipset along with 3 or 4 GB of RAM and 32 GB or 64 GB of storage. The battery will be 4000 mAh, comes with the fast charging technology, and this time Motorola is also bringing NFC and dual SIM support. According to some speculation, the new Moto G8 lineup is expected to be announced on October 24, 2019, and this G8 series will be available across Europe, South America and Asia Pacific regions. So these are the details we know so far about the Moto G8 Play. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.